Hi everyone, it's me, Shama without S. This is my nephew Sander. He wants to play hide and seek. Today, my family and I will go to Tarlac. Yay! They're getting ready. There. Wait, I'll show you.
Gimme.
Okay, we'll go to Tarlac. Time check is 1 o'clock. But before that, I think we'll go to Caltex para tingnan yung mga kasamahan namin. Sander, I'm vlogging, don't take it! Okay, move it further. Let's show them my fit. Fit check! They can see me like this. Like that, yes. Don't show your face. Okay, here's my fit check. Oh, no, I'll tell them the brand.
Hello?
It's on.
It's off.
It's on. It's just not showing there.
Wow.
This is my aunt Hedy. She's our eldest. No, she's free. Yo, here's a lipstick print. Just kidding, I don't have lipstick. Hub! And this is our bunso. Look, our panganay and bunso at the same time. Remove your umbrella.
What?
Here. Look. Panganay and bunso. Come, show your face. Show yourself. There they are. And I'm at the middle. Pang-anim ako. This is panganay, panganim. Diba? Paano ka naging middle? Kasi I'm number 6 and we're 10 and the middle is 5 and 6. Okay. Right? This is my nephew, eldest. No.
Hi.
So, see you there.
Hi, beautiful.
Hey guys, stop over kami dito sa Wow. Look guys, it's so beautiful. We're here at malapit na kami sa Pura. Pero stop over muna dito kasi picture taking booth. We're here, we just got down. And look at the view. I love it. Gia, wow! Look, Gia, say hi! Gia.
Hi.
Ayan, nakaset up na yung tent namin, literal na camp meeting kasi masyado kaming madami. Kaya nagdala kami ng sarili naming tent since may tent kami and mas enjoy. And taran! Yung isang tent hindi pa nakaset up. So, si Ate Sam at saka yung family niya, si Mami at saka si Daddy. And then, this is mine yung maliit dyan sa... Doon. Dito. And then, this is set up yung isa doon. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya ngayon. Kuha muna kami ng pagkain. Chicken. Ayun, asa ako na. But I want mango. Ayan. Tara, Sam, maghanap ng mangga. Oy, kumuha siya ng isang Yakult, Ate Mar.
Ano pangalan niyan? Ay, gaya lang mong magmotor.
May nagbebenta ba ng mangga?
Dito pa siya.
Sa harap. Ate Mar, mango please. Ito pala, ito din sa akin. Natatawa talaga ako sa boses mo. Ate Mar, mangga dito. Let's go.
Kal, mangga ka daw.
Mangga, may mangga, may mangga.
Tsaka may alamang pa.
Tarong nakawukutok kita.
Magka,
Makanan, makanan.
10? So, this is my tent kasi mag-isa ko lang. Kaya, let's room tour. I can't open it naman.
Get out first and put this one.
Ah, this is the windows of heaven are open. No, it's not pala. Teka lang. Alam niyo ba yung feeling na nakahiga ka, naka-relax, tapos pagbangon mo or pagtitingin ka sa side mo? Wow! Wow! Guys, I want this life. A mango ang dami. Ang bango. They're so big. Yan si Rizel. Wow!
Kaya jay kwa, sige takwa.
May ganyan ako? Meron. Meron ka.
Pero andun pa.
Ah, sis Hama. May eye.
Baka pa pa naman ulit ako si ganun.
Nice afternoon. Gia, Gia.
Ayun ang puso namin.
Ay, malpas lang sis. Na nag-ala. Oh.
Ulam pa dun, may ulam pa dun. Dapat ulam ito niya. I like gulay, unli. Dapat take kwa jay ulam.
Manggamot ni kan ka.
Lokatan nyo,
Manggamot.
ulam pa dito lang niya.
Ausog naman ka.
Si damot tiyag sa padayta.
Kasi may ulam pa dun.
Food review. Nag-imas na siyang nagluto masarap. Masarap yung ulam. Share ko lang. Bili tayo mamaya. Congratulations. Good morning. Oh my god. Just woke up. And I just want to show you the good view. Kaya kahit kagigising ko lang, here am I sa bukid. It's so beautiful. Like the hammock is everything. Tingnan. Wait. It's so beautiful. I'll show you. Okay. Good morning. Anong church kayo, sis? Baguio. Ah, Baguio. That's beautiful. Ah, ang ganda. Oh my gosh. I can't see my face. Ah, ang ganda. Like the hamburger. Oh. Ayan. Ah! Here comes my ate. Ang pangit ng trip niyang aga-aga. Wala akong pakialam. Ang ganda. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Why did you kiss them? I can
Alam mo,
kiss
gagawin
them.
Alam mo gagawin ko na ako. Sabi ko kasi, siya nagtuloy ng ano. Aray, buhok ko. Dito nga muna tayo kung nakalagay ko.
Wow. Like, alam niyo yung pwede, ang ganda maglakad dito. I'll show you. Yes! Sarap lakari. Tapos nahulog ako, no? Hindi ng umaga sa ahis. Ang ganda. So beautiful talaga. Tapos ang lamang hanggang sa ayun yung tent namin doon. Kita ba? I think it's not. Ay, dyan kami tumutuloy. And then, yung tulugan ko, nakikita ko to. And then, yung mga tent. Actually, hindi na ako natutulog sa tent. Picture taking show. Ba't di niya pinakod niya may ano pa din? Ganito. Good morning, little spider. Sige, sige. Hi! Nakalimutan kong mag-update mami sa mga nanonood na kahapon kung anong nangyari kahapon. Basta yun, may nangyari. Tapos ang ulam namin kahapon. Ba't pagkain lang ina-update ko? Ulam namin kahapon. Fried fish. Tsaka sinigang na karne. Tsaka yun. Basta madaming ganun. And then kanina umaga sopas and then maraming karne. Hindi ko alam kung anong klase ngayon. Sopas, meat, meat. Karne naman yan. Ah, may galunggong. Di ba galunggong?
Yun. Kaya ka.
Ang pakagaminhaan. Ah.
There is a place of commanded blessing. Brethren, you need
digestion, right?
Punuin ko ba yan?
Oh, wait. Okay na to? Ay, hindi. Konti na lang. Ah, too much. Thank you. Thank you, Rizal. Hindi ba pwedeng ribeye? Para na iba, pwede ba kitang tawaging ribeye? Rizal kasi silang lahat eh. Ribeye na. Joke. Ha ha ha. Ribeye. Okay, ribeye.